If you've been injured in Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin, Crawford County, or anywhere in western Wisconsin, here are three things you should know after a car accident, trip and fall, or some other type of personal injury. My name is attorney Craig Steger. I've been doing personal injury cases for over 20 years across western Wisconsin, handling severe and complex injury and wrongful death cases against some of the largest insurance companies. After a car crash, personal injury, farm accident, or any type of injury case, there are three things you want to know right away. Number one, you're probably going to get calls from insurance companies and adjusters. You don't have to give a recorded statement to an insurance adjuster, especially the other party's insurance company. You have an opportunity and a right to talk to an attorney first, and I would encourage you to do so. Early on, especially if the accident just happened, you're probably overwhelmed. You're still recovering. You may not know the full extent of your injuries. Your doctors may not know the full extent of your injuries. You may still be trying to get your life back in order, get back to work, and things you can say in those early conversations with insurance adjusters who are trained to ask you questions designed to minimize your injuries and limit the amount that they may owe you. That can be very dangerous for you. So talk to an attorney if possible before you talk to the insurance company. Number two, if you can, get photographs and video of the scene wherever the accident happened. If it was a car accident, find the intersection. If it was a slip and fall or trip and fall, take pictures and video of the scene showing exactly what happened and how it looked as soon as possible afterwards. If there's debris on the road, skid marks, debris patterns, scrapes, things of that nature, try to capture that as soon as possible. If there are witnesses, try to get witness names and phone numbers if possible. If there were vehicles involved, whether it was cars, semis, trucks, farm equipment, whatever it was, if there was names, contact information, or identifying information on the sides of those vehicles, try to capture that as well. Obviously, try to capture license plate information at a bare minimum. If your accident happened in the vicinity of a place, whether it's a business, gas station, or even a home that has security cameras, that camera footage can be vital and crucial to your future case, but it needs to be obtained right away. See, that stuff tends to get written over and deleted over time. So you want to make sure that you're requesting that as soon as possible, because that could make a huge difference of whether the insurance company takes your case seriously or whether they give you a big fat zero. Number three, and perhaps most important, is get checked out. Go to the doctor, go to urgent care, emergency room if you have to. Make sure that you're okay. Get the tests that are needed to rule out any catastrophic type situation. And if they ask you to go back to your primary care physician, make that appointment as soon as possible. If they have you go to therapy, finish the therapy until it's done. Even if you start to feel better, if they order you additional testing for you or they send you to a specialist, keep those appointments. Insurance companies love gaps and delays in treatment, and they will use it against you to either show that you weren't badly injured or that you recovered very quickly from your injuries. So those are the three things you should know after any type of personal injury here in Prairie du Chien, Crawford County, or anywhere in western Wisconsin. If you're to the point where you want to talk to an attorney, just go to the phone number on the screen, call or text. You can have a free consultation with my office, and you can talk to as many attorneys as you need before you make a decision on whether to hire an attorney or who's the best fit for you. In the meantime, feel free to watch the next video on the screen or pinned down below where I explain the entire personal injury process for a case in Wisconsin from start to finish.